Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process to find legit deals and save money on your purchases. Whether you're shopping online or in-store, knowing how to spot genuine discounts can make a big difference. We'll cover everything from researching deals to verifying their authenticity so you can shop with confidence. Let's get started by understanding why it's important to be cautious and how the right approach can help you avoid scams and maximize your savings. Finding legit deals isn't just about saving a few bucks, it's about making smarter financial decisions. With so many offers out there, it's easy to fall for fake discounts or misleading promotions. By learning how to identify real deals, you can stretch your budget further and avoid disappointment. In this scene, we'll discuss the impact of genuine deals on your finances and why it's worth investing a little time to find them. The first step in finding legit deals is research. Before making any purchase, take some time to compare prices across different platforms. Use trusted websites, apps, or browser extensions that aggregate deals and show you price histories. This helps you understand the typical price range for the item you want and spot when a deal is truly a bargain. Remember, a little research can save you a lot in the long run. Not all deal sites are created equal. Stick to reputable platforms that have a track record of listing authentic deals. Look for user reviews, ratings, and community feedback to gauge the reliability of a site. Popular deal forums and aggregator websites often have active communities that help weed out scams and highlight the best offers. Bookmark your favorite sites for easy access during future shopping sprees. Before jumping on a deal, always check the reputation of the seller. On marketplaces like Amazon or eBay, look at the seller's ratings, feedback, and history. Reliable sellers usually have high ratings and positive reviews. Be cautious if a deal is offered by a new or poorly rated seller, as this could be a red flag. Taking a moment to verify the seller can save you from potential scams. Legit deals are usually clear about what's included and any terms or conditions. Read the fine print carefully, look for expiration dates, quantity limits, and any exclusions. If a deal seems too good to be true, double-check the details. Sometimes, hidden fees or restrictions can turn a great offer into a disappointment. Always make sure you understand exactly what you're getting before making a purchase. One of the best ways to verify a deal is by checking the price history of the product. Tools and browser extensions can show you how the price has changed over time. This helps you spot fake discounts where the price was artificially raised before being discounted. By understanding the price trends, you can confidently decide if now is the right time to buy. Reviews can be helpful, but not all of them are genuine. Some sellers post fake positive reviews to make their deals look better. Look for detailed, balanced feedback and check if the reviewer has a history of authentic activity. Be wary of products with only 5-star reviews or generic comments. Trust your instincts and use multiple sources to verify the credibility of reviews. Coupon codes are a great way to save extra money on legit deals. Before checking out, search for available promo codes on trusted coupon websites or browser extensions. Sometimes, retailers offer exclusive codes to newsletter subscribers or social media followers. Always try a few codes to see if you can stack additional savings on top of existing deals. Many deal sites and retailers offer alert systems that notify you when prices drop or new deals are available. Signing up for these alerts can help you stay ahead of the crowd and snag the best offers before they sell out. Customize your alerts for specific products or categories to avoid spam and focus on what matters most to you. Loyalty programs can offer exclusive deals, early access to sales, and rewards for frequent shoppers. Many retailers provide points, discounts, or special perks to members. Signing up is usually free and can lead to significant savings over time. Make sure to read the program terms and use your membership when making purchases to maximize your benefits. A deal isn't always a deal if shipping costs are high. Before finalizing your purchase, compare shipping fees across different sellers or platforms. Some retailers offer free shipping on minimum orders or as part of a promotion. Factor in these costs to ensure you're truly getting the best value for your money. Before buying, always review the return policy. Legit deals come with clear, fair return options. If a seller doesn't accept returns or has complicated procedures, it could be a warning sign. Make sure you know how long you have to return an item and whether you'll receive a full refund or store credit. This knowledge protects you if the product doesn't meet your expectations. Scam deals often have telltale signs. Watch out for websites with poor design, missing contact information, or suspicious payment methods. If a deal requires you to pay via wire transfer or gift cards, it's likely a scam. Trustworthy sellers offer secure payment options and clear communication. Always trust your instincts. If something feels off, it's better to walk away. Always use secure payment methods like credit cards or trusted payment platforms. These options offer buyer protection and make it easier to dispute charges if something goes wrong. Avoid deals that require direct bank transfers or unconventional payment methods. Secure payments are a key part of ensuring your deal is legit and your money is safe. Cashback programs can add extra value to your purchases. Many credit cards and shopping apps offer cashback on certain categories or retailers. Before buying, check if you can activate a cashback offer for your deal. Over time, these small rewards can add up to significant savings, making your legit deals even sweeter. Major sales events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or seasonal clearances are prime times to find legit deals. Retailers often offer their best discounts during these periods. Plan your purchases around these events and make a wish list in advance. This way, you can quickly grab the best offers when the sale goes live. Some retailers offer price matching policies, where they'll match or beat a competitor's price. If you find a better deal elsewhere, ask the retailer if they'll match it. This can save you time and ensure you're getting the best price without switching stores. Always check the terms of the price match policy before making your request. Brands often announce exclusive deals and flash sales on their social media channels. By following your favorite brands, you'll be among the first to know about special promotions. Some companies even offer social media-only coupon codes or giveaways. Stay connected to maximize your chances of scoring legit deals. Online deal communities and forums are great places to discover legit deals shared by fellow shoppers. These communities often have strict rules to ensure only genuine offers are posted. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and share your own finds. The collective knowledge of the community can help you avoid scams and find the best bargains. Many retailers offer special discounts for students, military personnel, or other groups. If you qualify, always check for these offers before making a purchase. You may need to verify your status through a third-party service or provide identification. These exclusive deals can provide significant savings on top of regular promotions. Impulse purchases can lead to regret, even if the deal seems great. Take a moment to consider whether you really need the item and if it fits your budget. Make a shopping list and stick to it. By being intentional with your purchases, you'll avoid unnecessary spending and focus on finding truly valuable deals. Product descriptions can reveal important details about what you're buying. Make sure the item matches your expectations in terms of size, features, and condition. If the description is vague or missing key information, reach out to the seller for clarification. This step helps you avoid surprises and ensures you're getting exactly what you want. Legit deals often come with a manufacturer's warranty or satisfaction guarantee. This provides peace of mind in case the product is defective or doesn't meet your expectations. Always check the warranty terms and how to make a claim if needed. Avoid deals that don't offer any form of protection for your purchase. Some retailers adjust prices based on your browsing history or location. Using incognito or private browsing mode can help you see the lowest available prices. Clear your cookies or use a different device if you notice prices changing after repeated visits. This simple trick can help you secure better deals online. Before completing your purchase, review the final price at checkout. Make sure all discounts, taxes, and fees are correctly applied. Sometimes, extra charges can sneak in at the last step. Confirm that the total matches your expectations and that you're not missing out on any available savings. After making a purchase, save your receipts and order confirmations. These documents are important if you need to return an item or dispute a charge. Store digital copies in a dedicated folder or use an app to organize your receipts. Keeping good records helps you stay organized and protects your rights as a consumer. Regularly check your bank and credit card statements for any unauthorized charges after making a purchase. If you spot anything suspicious, contact your bank immediately. Monitoring your accounts helps you catch fraud early and ensures that you're only paying for what you actually bought. When you find a great, legit deal, share it with friends and family. Not only does this help others save money, but it also builds a network of trusted deal hunters. Sometimes, group purchases or referrals can unlock even better discounts for everyone involved. Deal trends can change quickly, especially during holiday seasons or economic shifts. Stay informed by subscribing to deal newsletters, following blogs, or joining online communities. Being aware of current trends helps you anticipate the best times to shop and avoid missing out on short-lived offers. Dynamic pricing means that prices can change based on demand, time, or your browsing behavior. Airlines, hotels, and even some retailers use this strategy. To get the best deal, try shopping at different times of day, clearing your cookies, or using different devices. Understanding how dynamic pricing works can help you outsmart the system and save more. Sometimes, buying items in a bundle can offer better value than purchasing individually. Look for bundle deals or multi-buy discounts, especially on electronics, groceries, or household items. Always compare the bundle price to the cost of buying separately to ensure you're actually saving money. There are many apps designed to help you find legit deals and save money. Some apps offer exclusive discounts, cashback, or price comparison features. Download a few trusted apps and explore their features to see which ones work best for your shopping habits. These tools can make deal hunting easier and more rewarding. Deals often have expiration dates or limited quantities. Always check the validity period before making a purchase. If a deal is about to expire, act quickly, but don't rush. Make sure it's still a legit offer. Missing the deadline can mean missing out on significant savings. Every deal comes with its own set of terms and conditions. Take the time to read and understand them, especially for big-ticket items or long-term commitments. Knowing the rules helps you avoid surprises and ensures you're getting exactly what you expect from the deal. Pop-up deals that appear suddenly on websites can sometimes be scams or misleading offers. Don't rush into clicking or entering your information. Take a moment to verify the legitimacy of the offer and the website. If in doubt, close the pop-up and search for the deal independently. Some deals look great at first glance, but come with hidden fees like service charges, handling fees, or mandatory add-ons. Always review the total cost before committing. If you notice unexpected charges, ask the seller for clarification or consider looking elsewhere. Don't rely on a single source for deals. Cross-check offers across different websites, apps, and forums. This helps you verify the legitimacy of a deal and ensures you're getting the best possible price. The more sources you consult, the more confident you can be in your purchase. Flash sales are short-term promotions with limited stock. While they can offer great deals, they also create urgency that can lead to rushed decisions. Before participating, make sure the sale is hosted by a reputable retailer and that the products are genuine. Don't let the countdown pressure you into a hasty purchase. Some retailers offer price adjustment policies if the price drops shortly after your purchase. Keep an eye on the item's price for a week or two and contact customer service if you notice a drop. You may be eligible for a refund of the difference, adding even more value to your deal. Limited time offers are designed to create urgency, but not all are as good as they seem. Always check the original price and compare with other sellers before committing. Make sure the offer is real and not just a marketing tactic. Being cautious helps you avoid falling for fake urgency. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Extremely low prices on high-demand items are often scams. Trust your instincts and do extra research before proceeding. Look for independent reviews, check the seller's reputation, and never share sensitive information unless you're sure the deal is legit. Reflect on your previous shopping experiences to improve your deal hunting skills. Think about what worked well and what didn't. Use these lessons to refine your approach and avoid repeating mistakes. Over time, you'll become more efficient at spotting legit deals and steering clear of scams. Finding legit deals takes patience and persistence. Don't rush into purchases just because you want a quick win. Set alerts, monitor prices, and wait for the right moment. With a little perseverance, you'll be rewarded with genuine savings and a more satisfying shopping experience. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive step-by-step guide to finding legit deals. By following these tips, you'll be able to shop smarter, avoid scams, and make the most of your money. Remember, the key is to stay informed, be cautious, and always double-check before making a purchase. Happy deal hunting, and may your savings grow with every smart buy.